Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the AQ Pro Block Force Indicator, which is a powerful trading tool designed to help you identify and track order blocks on your chart. With this indicator, you don't need to draw the order blocks manually. It automatically marks out key zones like bullish and bearish order blocks, so you can easily spot where the big players may be entering the market. But we're not going to use the Block Force Indicator alone. We're also going to combine it with the Quantum Smart Tool Indicator. The Smart Tool helps us understand the trend direction clearly. When the trend is bearish, you'll see a red line. When the trend is bullish, you'll see a green line. It also gives long and short trade signals with stop loss and take profit levels. So in this video, we're going to combine both tools, Block Force for spotting the zones and Smart Tool for trend confirmation, to build a simple and effective trading strategy. So let's start by adding the two indicators to your chart. First, go to the Indicators tab at the top of your TradingView screen. Next, scroll down and click on Invite-Only Scripts. Here you'll find the Block Force Indicator. This tool is private, so you'll need to request access before you can use it. Once you have access, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Now, look for the Quantum Smart Tool Indicator in the same Invite-Only list. Just like before, make sure you've been granted access, then click on it to add it to your chart as well. Once both indicators are added, click the little X or star icon to close the search box. And now your chart is ready with both tools activated. To make our chart look cleaner, we're going to adjust the settings of the Block Force Indicator. Click on the settings icon beside the Block Force name. Now, inside the settings, go ahead and untick Classic OB and untick Extreme OB. We're only going to leave the strong order blocks showing on the chart. This will reduce too many signals and help us focus only on the most important zones. Once that's done, click OK to save the settings. Now let's go over the strategy using the Block Force and Smart Tool indicators together. The idea is very simple. We wait for price to come into a strong order block. This is the green or red zone marked by the Block Force indicator. Once the price touches that zone, we watch the Smart Tool indicator. If the Smart Tool prints a long signal, that means a buy signal. After price has tested the order block, we can enter a buy trade. So in this example, price touches the strong bullish order block. And shortly after that, the Smart Tool gives us a long signal. At this point, you can go ahead and enter your buy position. Place your stop loss where the Smart Tool indicator shows it. Then, for your take profit target, you can choose either Profit 1 or Profit 2, depending on how much you want to secure. Now, let's allow the trade to play out. As you can see, the price moves in our favor and hits the profit target successfully. That's a complete buy setup using this strategy. For a sell trade, it's just the opposite of the buy trade. So the trade idea is very simple. Wait for price to come back into the bearish, strong order block. Then wait for the Quantum Smart Tool to print a short signal. Enter your sell trade and place your stop loss and take profit using the levels the indicator gives you. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.